Good morning, students. As you all know very well that we nowadays we are studying our topic advertisement, and we know very well that advertisements are of two kinds. Fine, commercial advertisements and classified advertisement. In commercial advertisement, we know very well that is some sort of the television ads and all display advertisement, and classified advertisement is a small advertisement that you put in a newspaper or a magazine, usually because you want to sell or buy something or to find or offer a job. You can see over here in this newspaper, in this business, means whenever we are writing anything related to business category, we have to mention in the classified column of business. And here when we are writing for property, we have to mention it in real estate. You can see over here office available, rent to own, okay, need a small loan. So we call it classified advertisement, means in proper column we mention. We know very well that the breakup of 4 marks for question on advertisement writing is what? 1 mark heading, 2 mark content, and expression 1 mark. Fine. So we all know very well that an classified advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization, or to sell, purchase, rent any property, or for many other purposes. We type of advertisements are situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, then for sale, to let, accommodation wanted, matrimonials, missing. Matrimonials we are writing, this is written while looking for prospective marriage candidates. Okay, fine. Suppose in case we have lost something or found something, then we have to write it in column of lost and found. Fine. Suppose in case we want some means what data, situation vacant, we want someone to join our company or school. This advertisement is written by an employer. Okay, this advertisement situation vacant is mostly situation vacant and or situation writer. The situation wanted, this is written by a job seeker. Okay, and it is this kind of the advertisement, situation vacant, is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization. Okay, then we know very well, too late we are writing when person is, this is written by a person looking for tenants for his or her property. Suppose in case accommodation wanted, written by the ones looking for a place for accommodation. Okay, then we have sale and purchase. Okay, anything we would like to sell or purchase, this is written in an attempt to sell property, assets, office goods, etc. Okay, fine. So different type of the advertisements are there in the classified category. Okay, but I have already given you rules and regulation to note down in your notebook. Remember, nowhere in the answer are you required to mention your own personal details. Okay, and it should be always in box. It should be always in box, made with sharpened pencil. It should be neat and clean with good presentation. To make box, we can use pencil. Okay, and always add contact details in the end, either in the form of contact number, email ID, or both. They are generally given in the question. So here we can see over here that contact number is contact number is given, and contact number is given, and with contact number email address is given. Suppose bride wanted, dulan chahiye. Why? Yulens invited from a slim, beautiful, mealy-mouthed, considerate, and homely girl. Okay, should be working for a tall, dark, handsome boy. This is the quality of the handsome boy working abroad. This is the quality of the boy. Okay, and they want slim, beautiful, mealy-mouthed, considerate, and homely girl. Punjabi, non-Manglik boy, well settled, income in 6 figures, father retired from Indian Army, mother a homemaker, no dowry, early marriage, intrastate matchmakers may contact at the numbers given below, and email ID. Students, what I want to tell you over here, have you noted down one thing? Do not make full sentences. Do not make full sentences. आपको full sentence नहीं लिखने हैं. You are not going to write that I'm a tall, dark, handsome Punjabi boy, non-Manglik, and I'm well settled in abroad working. Okay, and I'm earning. No, I'm only giving my description, or you can say I only means write the essential details related to me. So we have to make it sure. Then we can see over here lost and found. Lost and found, when you are means what that when you have lost something, then you have to write down in this way: lost my American Tourister bag while traveling to Jaipur. Black color bag, contains driving license, PAN card, rupees 3000 cash, headphones. Means this detail we have to mention, and many other important things. Here what I would like to suggest over here, that please note down these questions in your notebook also. Okay. At last, founder will be rewarded with rupees 5000. Then situation vacant. Situation vacant, we are writing. At what time we are writing situation vacant? We are writing, this advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization. Suppose in case I need a job, then I'll write situation wanted. In place of vacant, I'll write situation wanted. Here, Delhi Public School, Panipat requires PGTs, TGTs, PRTs. Suppose in case any company requires SDFC Bank, seeker requires manager. Fine. For it, upcoming session, a candidate should have good command on the subject, excellent communication skills, pleasing personality, sanguine approach to teach students, essential qualification required for the post walk-in interview. We are inviting the candidates. Walk-in interview on date, at contact address, phone number, everything is given. So, and at last we have put the matter into a box. Then to let this question we have already done in our last video also. To let means this is written by a person looking for tenants for his or her property. To let, available on rent basis for 11 months, a newly constructed house in Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. See over here, what is mentioned over here? What is mentioned over here, that they have written what? They have written the house. They have written the house, but you can it is not necessary for you to use the house. It is not necessary for you to use the house. Okay, fine. So you can directly write down 5 spacious bedroom, 5 spacious bedroom with attached bathrooms, a big drawing room, dining hall. Kitchen is very spacious. It is not mandatory to write down is very spacious. Spacious kitchen, garage and servant quarter in a corner. Okay, the tastefully built house is 2 sides open in the market with educational facilities for children. What am I doing over here? I am promoting the qualities of the house. Expected rent rupees 25,000 per month. Please ring phone number and mobile number and contact number. Fine. Then sale and purchase. Suppose in case you would like to sell your motorbike, sell your car. In my previous video and in PDF, I have already given questions related to sale and purchase. Here, heading in capital. Interest heading we have to write always in capital. Okay, and which column? Which classified column? Sale and purchase. Interested in purchasing means now. Person would like to purchase. Interested in purchasing a 2-room flat in housing society in AK Nagar, Gwalior, full stop. The room should be. So earlier also I have mentioned this you need not to write the room. You can write down spacious rooms and well ventilated with modular kitchen, good construction, or full stop, good construction, ground floor preferred. It must have a parking facility. So you do not to write full sentence over here. Okay, must have a parking facility or require parking facilities, contact number, everything is given here. So this is all from my side in this topic, classified advertisement. If you feel any query related to classified advertisement, then you can call me or send me message on my WhatsApp number. Students, what I would like to suggest you, please do your work with these videos. See, recently we have scored very excellent result. We have cracked the board results in 12th and 10th, but just because of the students' efforts. So I want you all to put your efforts right from first day. Thank you. Have a nice day. So I hope that you all will complete your work very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.